When you start off with a pidgey wing. And a pidgey wing is exactly what it is. It is a pidgey wing. After the pidgey wing, you get what is called a birdie or a willy. Both birdies and willies are synonym and they can be used interchangeably. The birdie is the stage when your mommy will throw coconut oil. She will raise up the wing, she will throw coconut oil, and she will flap the wing to help you so that your wings can flap as you get older. After this stage, you will enter the stage called soti. And the soti means it's like a T turned upside down. The long thing at the top and the cross thing for the T at the bottom. So that is a soti. After a soti, as you start to grow older, you will get what is called a lolie. And a lolie just signals that you're getting older. And as you grow and get older, your lolie will become a lolo. And after lolo, you get to the stage of wood. Your lolo becomes a wood. Once your Lolo becomes a wood, your aim is to try to graduate from the School of Woodology. When you get to the School of Woodology, there is one thing that you will understand that in this school, a lot of people pay attention to the kinds of wood in the school. So there are anacondas, there are pigtails, and there are doorknobs. But what I want you to understand, it is not the size of the wood that matters, it is functionality. So when you get to the School of Woodology, your only aim should be to graduate with the top honors. And the top honors is sugar stick. You want that. You don't want to drop out of the school. There are many difficult things that happen to people who drop out of the School of Woodology and never graduate with the degree in sugar stick. Let me tell you the first thing what has happened. People who got to the highest honors and get their professional degree in sugar stick, they are going to find your sugar bowl, even when you put the tightest cover on it. And they know the art of uncovering, of taking off cover off a sugar bowl. And they know exactly how to put that sugar stick into other people's sugar bowl and teeth out sugar and fix it back. Just like when we used to teeth milk powder. Remember when we did smell and we used to teeth milk powder? And we would take the milk powder out of the thing, and then when you're done, you fix back the milk powder so somebody didn't even know, say, you went in the milk powder tin. That is how the professional sugar stickers will steal your sugar out of your sugar bowl if you drop out of the School of Woodology. So I think the greatest lesson that I want you to understand is that once you get to the School of Woodology, don't be concerned about if you have an anaconda or if you have a pigtail or if you have a doorknob. That is not the most important lesson. The most important lesson is to graduate with the degree in sugar stick. So you might ask, what happens if the wood breaks? Now, this is a very common phenomena. This happens to a lot of people. They go to the School of Woodology and their wood break because of different circumstances and problems. One of the piece of advice that I would give you, it's based on the computer. If your hard drive is not working, you will have to use your software. Thank you. Tata.